Good morning, my dear children. How are you all? Fine? Okay, students. Many days onwards, we are discussing our first lesson or first unit, physical quantities and measurement. And I hope you already understood the concept which we have discussed previous classes. Okay. Today we are going to discuss one more important topic, that is speed. All of you please take out your book, others please stay on video. Speed. In class 6th, we have learned that a body is said to be at rest. A body is said to be at rest when it does not change its position with respect to its surroundings. If a body is in rest, it does not change its position with respect to its surroundings. Then what about when a body is in motion? That particular body will change its position with respect to its surroundings. When a body is in motion, the length of path travelled by it, the length of path travelled by that body in a certain time is called the distance. That is called the distance. The path travelled by it at a particular time, that is called distance, moved by it in that duration. This is expressed in the unit meter symbol m. Symbol m we are using to express that particular distance. We see many objects around us moving. Many moving objects we are always observing in our daily life. To find which one is moving fast or slow, we measure the distance travelled by different objects in the same time interval. So, by observing the things which these are moving, the things which are moving, we can find out that some objects are moving fast, some are moving slow. Clear? So, sometimes we can say that if a boy or a girl is running, then sometimes the boy will run fast, the girls will run slow, like that we can say. Then how we will say whether a body is moving fast or slow? For example, if we compare the motions of a car and a bullock cart on the road, can you say that which one move fast and which one will be slow? We find that a car travels more distance than the bullock cart in the same time interval. So, we can say that the car moves faster than the bullock cart. Similarly, a boy on a cycle moves more distance than a boy on a foot at the same time. Thus, a boy on a foot is moving slower than the boy on a bicycle. The idea about the motion of a body, that is how fast or slow it is moving. 2-3 examples we have discussed. One is boy and a girl running fast or slow. Second one, bullock cart and car. Now boy on a cycle or boy on a foot. By these 3 examples, one idea about the motion we will get, that is how fast or slow one body is moving. By that idea we can obtain the term speed. Here is the definition of the speed, that is the distance travelled or covered by a body in unit time is called the speed of the body. The speed of the body, we can underline it, the definition of speed. The distance covered or travelled by a body in unit time is called the speed of the body. Okay, students. So, here is the formula to find out the speed. How to find out the speed? First we have to calculate the distance travelled, how much distance that particular body is travelled. Then we have to find out the time taken, how much time taken to cover this much distance. Then what to do? Speed is equal to distance travelled upon time taken. Use this formula and find out the speed. Okay? Find out the speed by using this formula. Speed is usually denoted by the symbol v. Speed is usually denoted by the symbol v. If a body travels a distance d in time t, then its speed is given as speed v is equal to d upon t. D means distance, t means time. D means distance, t means time. Okay. Now we are going to discuss one more point here, unit of speed. In SI system, the distance is measured in meter and time is measured in seconds, we know that. In SI system, the distance is measured in a meter, distance is measured in meter and time is measured in second. Okay. Distance is measured in meter, time is measured in second. So, the SI unit of speed is meter per second. Please mark it, the SI unit of speed, that is meter per second. Its symbol is given here, meter per second. Its symbol is given here, ms raised to minus 1, that is called meter per second. Okay, students. Sometimes we measure distance in kilometer and time in hour. If the speed is measured in speed and second, no problem. But sometimes we will use another unit related to meter, that is kilometer, the bigger unit, and time in hour, the bigger unit of time, that is hour. Then the unit of speed is in kilometer per hour. Then the unit of speed is in kilometer per hour. Now we will discuss the relationship between kilometer per hour and meter per second. 1 kilometer per hour is equal to 1 kilometer upon 1 hour. 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter, 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. That means, just cancel these two zeros, then 2 5 ja 10, then 2 18 ja 36, then finally we are getting 5 upon 18. That means 5 meter upon 18 seconds. That is equal to 1 upon 3.6 meter per second. Okay, or 3.6 kilometer per hour is equal to 1 meter per second. Okay. However, if distance is measured in centimeter and time in seconds, then the unit of speed is in centimeter per second. Unit of speed in centimeter per second, when if distance is measured in centimeter and time is measured in seconds, then the speed of unit is centimeter per second. Okay, students, then means 100 centimeter per second is equal to 1 meter per second. Then here one more fact, do you know? 18 kilometer per hour is equal to 5 meter per second. Okay, the speedometer of vehicle such as scooter, car, etc. shows the speed of the vehicle at that instant. To find out the speed of the scooter or car or vehicles, we are using the speedometer. If distance is measured in kilometer, the time in a minute, then speed has the unit kilometer per minute. 1 kilometer per minute is equal to 1000 meter upon 60 seconds. 1 kilometer we know that is 1000 meter. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. So, we can write it as 1000 meter upon 60 seconds. That means finally by calculating we will get the answer 16.67 meter per second. The table given below gives the approximate speed of some common objects. Man while walking in meter per second, the speed is 1 meter per second, kilometer 3.6. Man when running, that is in meter per second 5, then 18 kilometer per hour. Bicycle 7 meter per second, 25 kilometer per hour. Scooter 11 meter per second, 40 kilometer per hour. Car 14 meter per second, 50 kilometer per hour. Train 17 meter per second, 60 kilometer per hour. Now sound 330 meter per second, 1188 kilometer per hour. Light, it is very speedy, that is 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second, 1.08 into 10 raised to 9 kilometer per hour. Okay students, now we have the solved examples that we will discuss in tomorrow's section. Wait for the video, wait for the section, and today thank you and have a nice day.